Happy Tuesday, everybody. I hope you're doing well. How are you today? Were you productive? Did you get everything done on your list that you'd hoped to do? I know sometimes it feels like that list is just never ending, and sometimes you need to take a break and get some rest. And then other times you just need to plow on through and get things done. But boys and girls, I hope that around the house you are doing your part to help out where you can. And that is what our story is all about today. It is called It's Not Easy Being a Lazy Bug. And it's written by Pragya Tomor. And we have a couple of illustrators there as well. It's not easy being a lazy bug. Bug loves doing nothing. The other bugs look at him and say, "Ew, he stinks. Bug doesn't even shower. Bug never brushes his teeth. Bug's too lazy. His room is a mess." What's the big deal? I just like doing nothing. Every morning, "Wake up, Bug. Get ready or you'll be late for school." Bug is always late for school. Wait! His blankets are jumbled up and he trips over his shoes every day. Look, I see a slice of pizza on the floor too. Ugh. He has a mountain of toys in his room. It's just so easy being lazy. Mommy and Daddy worry about Bug. They want him to be independent. When Bug was born, the others fawned over him. They fed him, dressed him, made his bed, and picked up his toys. Bug liked when others did things for him. Now, even though he's big, he doesn't want to grow up and do big bug things. Make my bed. Brush my teeth. Tie my shoes. Give me a bath. Feed me. Clean my room. Other bugs are tired of being told what to do. One day, Mommy and Daddy decide enough is enough. You can do it, my big bug. We love you, but no more being lazy. He screams and he shouts, "Ah, no! I don't want to do it myself. I'm not big enough." The next morning, no one comes to dress Bug. You can do it, my big bug. So he goes to school in his PJs. Ha 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 ha! Your jammies are inside out. The teacher says, "You're late. You'll have to work through recess." The following morning, Bug doesn't bother to tie his shoes. Splat! Oh dear. The doctor says, "Please don't forget to tie your shoelaces." After school, Bug yells, "I am hungry. Feed me." You can do it, my big bug. Bug sulks in his room. Psst! You know, it's not so hard to spread peanut butter and jelly on a piece of bread. I can show you how. His stomach growls so. He takes out the bread. He lifts the knife. He scoops some peanut butter and spreads it. Then he gets the jelly. He makes himself a sandwich. This is the best sandwich ever. That wasn't so hard. Mom puts way too much peanut butter, And Daddy puts way too much jelly. If I can make a sandwich, I can do anything. Bug realizes he wants to change. But change can be hard when you're used to doing nothing. But he is trying. He's taking baby steps. He helps his mommy. Washing dishes makes lots of cool bubbles. And Daddy, scrub-a-dub-dub. Sometimes he still forgets to clean up his room or make his bed, but he remembers to brush his teeth every day. Sometimes he needs to ask others for help, but not all the time. He is trying his best. Bug even makes sandwiches for his friends. Thanks, Bug. Yummy. Thank you, Bug. Yum, yum. He's a can-do bug. And that is the end of our story. So boys and girls, I hope you liked it. And I hope you remember that you can do a lot too. So make sure you're helping out around the house. Mom and Dad, I'm sure, could use your help. So with that, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye.